Experience driving perfection in the 2017 Subaru Outback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, rear wipers, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.